Step 1. Perform a visual inspection using an intense light source. Against the light, dust and dirt become more visible. Step 2. If the optics have dust, blow it off using clean compressed air spray or a bulb blower. Sometimes blowing alone is sufficient. Step 3. If dirt persists, apply a solvent, isopropanol or acetone, to a lens cleaning tissue, never directly onto the optics. Then, pull the tissue across without lifting it, slowly and at a constant speed. Excess solvent will leave residue and will not dry quickly. Repeat this process until no marks or dirt remain. Step 4. Inspect the optics once cleaned. They must be replaced if they show weld spatter. Step 5. Install the retaining ring without touching the lens using a 2-prong wrench or optical spanner wrench. If unavailable, carefully use your hands. If you wish to continue working with the optics, seal the cleaned optic with Kapton tape.